4, 3, 2, 1.
And this spa is one of our jewels, and especially now if it's been renovated. As I was thinking about, how do we talk about tonight? Some of my team will know I'm a numbers guy, so I thought we'll do some numbers. The numbers are 27, 3, and 1. So 27 is the years that we've been in this place, right? So we've been here operating for 27 years. That doesn't happen out of chance. That happens because of great partnerships. We've done several refreshes and renovations, but nothing like what you're going to see today. If you've been in this spa before, you're going to see how beautiful it looks compared to what we had before. So we have a proper spa with a proper flow, where we have amenities, we have indoor amenities, we have outdoor amenities, and you're going to have a chance to experience some of the services that we offer as well. So 3. Well, 3 is the group, the team that works together to make this happen. So we have One Spa World Mandara, that's one group. We have the Marriott team, and then we have the Vacation Club team, right? And without those 3 teams working together, we couldn't be successful going back to the 27 years that we've operated.
But we would like to let you know that even though we've renovated, it's beautiful, we are still striving to keep our guest services as best as we always have done. And we would like for people that come to the spa to feel pampered and relaxed. So we have a new look, but we have not lost our focus. We keep our focus. And I'd like to thank all of you for coming over, and I look forward to the opportunity to welcome my familiar faces back into the spa, and so we can show them all we can offer. Welcome, and thank you very much.